The COVID-19 pandemic is one of the most dangerous challenges this world has faced in our lifetime. It is above all a human crisis with severe health and socio-economic consequences. It is my belief that the frontline workers must be supported, as it is absolutely critical to everybody's effort to win the war against COVID-19. But now is not that time. Now is the time for unity, for every community to work together in solidarity to stop this virus and its shattering consequences. Thank you.
On the eve of India's Independence Day celebration 2021, I take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you a happy Independence Day. We are extremely grateful to our colleagues in the Meghalaya Police Service 2004 batch who have always supported us, been with us and given us that constructive criticism so that we are able to better ourselves. We are thankful to the Honorable DGP and senior officers for their support. We are grateful to the personnel of the Meghalaya Police, officers and personnel who have always gone beyond the call of their duty to fight against this COVID-19 pandemic. We are extremely grateful to the respected Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District, Srimati R.M. Kurba, IAS, who has kindly consented to release a tribute music video for the COVID warriors. Just like our forefathers, led by the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, fought hand in hand, shoulder to shoulder, standing by each other, leaning on each other. We too need to stand by each other and lean on each other during these pandemic times so that we will gain our freedom and independence from this COVID-19. Thank you.
On this 75th Independence Day of our country, we need to understand that freedom is not for free. We have lost innumerable lives during the struggle for independence. We understand the value of freedom only when we lose it, just like we value life when we lose a dear and a loved one. On this day, let us pay our respect to our freedom fighters by pledging ourselves to be responsible citizens, to perform our duties sincerely, and to be a reason of hope, trust, and to be a shoulder to lean on. Let us remember, in the words of our Father of the Nation, the future depends on what you do today.
As I launch this video today, I take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you a very happy Independence Day 2021.